Welcome to NPTI Tampa. This could be your home for the next 18 weeks while becoming a personal trainer. 600-hour HCSC accredited, career diploma, training trainers for 25 years. Nationwide opportunities, front offices, student resource center, job placement, learning library. Here's where the magic happens, the actual live, hands-on classroom, 100 hours of anatomy physiology, 100 hours of nutrition, business management, program design, special populations, all taught via PowerPoint presentation. Bi-weekly quizzes for retention. We utilize 4 college textbooks, a little break here and there, refrigerator, microwaves. We have a functional training room in the back. The lab, 218 hours of lab actually takes place at Calptus 24/7 Fitness, but we utilize this room on a daily basis. Give us a call, guys, 407-772-0057. We can help you out. Sit in on a free week, free day, learn more about the industry. We'd love to help you out. Free application, NPTIFlorida.edu. Currently enrolling our summer semester. Look forward to having each and every one of you.